Okay, I have a problem with my master switch on for my windows, and I've taken it out. You can find a video on 1A Auto of how to do it from afar. So I'm going to show you how to do it up close. I've already taken it out, so I'm just going to show you the fittings. What's going on is this switch right here on the passenger side. I can't make it go up or down. The one in the back seat, I can make it go down, but I can't make it go up. But I can go on to the other side and work the switch just fine. So just kind of makes me think it's the switch here. We're gonna find out because I bought me a new one. But anyway, you take a flat screwdriver. I always have, you know, trim tools. I've got me a little pointer that I stuck in here to get onto my button, and it helped it come loose. And then the button on the other side, on the green, that controls the switch. The white one controls, just show you right here, the white one is the window adjustment switch, and then the green one is for the switch itself, the master window switch. And here it is, upside down. It's getting nighttime, so it might not show up well. Let's see here. There you go. It's got pin connectors. Look out here. Now you can see it. That's the window switch. I'm sorry, the mirror switch, and then that's the window switch right here. We'll shut her off and take this thing in the house. Okay, the first thing you need to do before you start is relax. Just kidding. Something with my wife's. But anyway, here's the two pieces. And I got me a small Phillips head screwdriver. And I need to take screws loose from here, here, and here. Okay, I took out the 3 screws, and out with the old, in with the new. So we have it back in. If I had time, I probably would have cleaned these pins to see if that would have helped any. They look pretty nasty, and it appears somebody spilt something in here, which may have shorted that out. I don't know. This was a vehicle that was bought used for my daughter, and of course I inherited the problems. So anyway, we're gonna see how it works. Okay, got the lights going now on the camera because it got a little dark on me. I've been off today doing something with the wife and daughter, so this is my first chance to get to do this. But anyway, I suggest before you actually snap this back into place that you test it. You'll note that the lights actually lighten up on my auto. It wasn't doing that before, so that's a good sign for me. And I'm going to try my window switch. It was actually a mirror switch, I should say. It's working. So switch it over to the right. We're in business. Okay, here's the driver's side. We're in business. All right. passenger side. All right, looking good, looking good. All one, Jim. Back seat. Okay, now we got it. There we go. That one's working. That was the one that wouldn't come up or down. This one wouldn't even. It wouldn't. It would not even go up or down. This one here would go down. So the last one is the back one, and it's doing fine too. So we're in business. All right. Okay. Last thing is the lock switch. So this one should go up and down. This one shouldn't do anything, and it won't. This one shouldn't do anything, and it won't. And same for here. Won't do anything. So we have got everything checked out.